If Google Calendar notifications are distracting you, cluttering your day, or popping up at the worst possible times, this video is going to help. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop Google Calendar notifications in just a few simple steps. This is a great fix if you want fewer alerts, a cleaner workflow, or just a little more peace and quiet while working. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the full Google Calendar settings page, where you can control all your calendar preferences. On the left side, look under the General section. You should see several options there, including notification controls. Click Notification Settings. This is where Google Calendar lets you manage how alerts behave across your calendars and events. Now on this page, look for the notification drop-down. Click the drop-down to view the available notification options. Depending on your setup, you may see options for browser notifications, event notifications, or alert preferences. To stop the notifications, click off or disable the notification setting you no longer want. If you want to completely reduce interruptions, make sure the alerts are turned off for the calendar or event type you're changing. You can repeat this process for other notification categories if needed, especially if you have multiple calendars connected to your account. This is useful because Google Calendar often has separate notification settings for different calendars, reminders, and event updates. So if you're still seeing alerts after turning one off, check the other calendars and notification types to make sure nothing was missed. Once you've made your changes, the settings usually save automatically, so there's no extra button you need to press. And that's it. You've now stopped Google Calendar notifications using the built-in settings. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference if you want fewer interruptions during your day. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out and lets me make more helpful tutorials for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.